When you fit in any wet room, you don't really know what drain to put in there until you've seen what goes on under the floor. So there are a lot of different options to ensure that you get the right product for the right situation. The standard drain is a gravity drain with a horizontal outlet. It's got a solvent weld fitting on there for longevity. The outlet is set at 1 in 40 to give you a chance to get your 1 in 40 gradient right. That's the horizontal version. There is also a vertical version available if you had predetermined concrete holes or service ducting underneath it, or if you're using something like a block and beam floor, or even if you're going straight into a 110mm pipe, this will drop straight down into it. All of these traps come with a dip tube and a bucket inside, which create a 50mm water seal, enabling you to put it directly into a stack pipe.